Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be learning the sound of letter O. The sound for this letter is O. The sound for this letter is O and the letter is O. So let's see some of the words that begin with the sound O. O is for owl. O, owl. O is for orange. O, orange. O is for onion. O, onion. O is for ostrich. O, ostrich. O is for octopus. O, octopus. O is for olives. O, olives. O is for office. O, office. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound O and the letter O. Let's go through them once again. O is for owl. O, owl, owl. O is for orange. O, orange, orange. O is for onion. O, onion, onion. O is for ostrich. O, ostrich, ostrich. O is for octopus. O, octopus, octopus. O is for olives. O, olives, olives. O is for office. O, office, office. Now turn to your picture book. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for onion. O is for ostrich. Please go through your picture book and practice these words. Thank you.